Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Jeep Gladiator. First, let's get comfortable and familiar with your vehicle. Before starting, adjust your seat and mirrors for the best view. Locate the steering wheel, accelerator, brake pedal, and gear selector. Take a moment to understand the dashboard layout and what each light signifies. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and confident driving experience, ensuring you have full control. Now, let's get the engine running and select a gear. If your Gladiator has an automatic transmission, make sure the gear selector is firmly in park or neutral before turning the key to start. For those with a manual transmission, fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot, then select first gear. Always ensure the parking brake is engaged when starting on an incline for added safety. Once you are moving, remember some key on-road driving tips. Always maintain a safe following distance, ideally 3 seconds behind the vehicle in front. Use your turn signals well in advance to clearly communicate your intentions to other drivers. Remember, the Gladiator is a larger truck with a higher center of gravity, so take turns smoothly and allow extra braking distance, especially when loaded. The Jeep Gladiator truly shines off-road, offering impressive capabilities. For challenging terrain, engage four-wheel drive to distribute power to all four wheels, enhancing traction. When tackling steep hills or crawling over obstacles, switch to low-range gearing for increased torque and control. Always check your tire pressure and ground clearance before heading off pavement to ensure a safe and enjoyable adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.